welcome Mintu.
Hi.
Hey,
Hi,
good morning.
and welcome.
Thank you. Nice to be here.
I just wanted to talk to you a little bit before your session, just for the digital audience, so they have a clue about what's coming up.
Yep.
So, in your session, you will share knowledge and your strategies on how to redefine smartness in cities. Can you explain this a little bit before your session now? What this means to your organization as well as the industry?
Well, it's a good question. Redefining, it's a big word. But we believe that because all the big changes are happening in cities, people are moving to the cities, and we need to, for example, for the sustainable future, we need to do the big changes in cities. So that also means redefining how we live our lives in cities, and that's usually designed by engineers. For example, they think how we use the public transport, what are our buildings like, and all these kind of things. So we see it that way, that it is our job to try to think how we make the everyday life in cities more sustainable.
Yeah, and there are kind of three key fundamentals to our new strategy. It's about kind of building innovation culture. On top of that, we need to aim for the most sustainable options available to us and kind of make everything that is necessary to kind of attend to the climate crisis at hand, but also kind of finding ways to be more efficient in what we do. And that does not mean that we as people need to be as machines, but we need to help ourselves with the benefits of using machines.
Yes, of course. Yes, so important. And another thing I was thinking about when I read your description, or what you were going to talk about, to lead the business development, we need to embrace the digitalization. Do you think we have enough knowledge of this today? The million-dollar question.
Yeah, do we? Yeah, this is something that I've been working with for a decade now in the industry in Finland and across Europe, and I think we are going in the right direction. Still, there's a lot of work to be done, kind of to increasing the digital maturity of our working ways across the industry. But there are good glimpses, and the pace of development is quite fast now. And like Matti mentioned in his interview just a couple of minutes ago, was kind of digital foundation, whether it's about building codes or whether it's about national information systems for core built environment data. Those need to be in place, and that's when the kind of different silos of digitalization come together, and then we are moving in the kind of same direction,
Yes.
to a same shared vision.
Exactly. And is this now, or are we? When are we there? What do you think?
Let's see if we ever get there, but I think we are quite well along the way, and it's fun discussing with some of the people from the gaming industry and regarding metaverse, and they are actually looking into the built environment, saying that through the interoperability or semantic interoperability mentioned, we are a bit ahead, even the gaming industry in some areas in this metaverse. So there's kind of good inspiration, and as said, we are on the right path.
We are on the right path. And with those words, Aziz, thank you so much. And soon you will be standing here. So I look forward to it.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.